as well today. So I've been thinking about a special day that my family celebrated at the weekend. And I know that lots of people all around the world will be thinking about this special day around this time of year. Sometimes it's different days depending what country you come from. So that special day is Mother's Day. Okay, and on Mother's, can you help me with the sign? Mother's Day, we think about our mummies and all the wonderful things that they do to help us in our lives. And sometimes you might want to make them a card and say to Mummy, I love you, thank you for all the things you do for me. And maybe even make them a special gift. So today's cooking is a lovely idea to make as a gift. You can make it for Mother's Day, or you could make it for a birthday, or for any special present that you want to give. And it's a little treat called chocolate truffles. So today you will need some biscuits, you'll need some butter, you'll need some chocolate cocoa, you will need some condensed milk, that's very sticky sweet milk, and you will also need some coconut, this desiccated coconut, so that's the little tiny white bits. And we're going to mix it all together to make our candies. So let's get ready. What will we need? We will need a bowl, a nice big bowl, a spoon for mixing, and if you've got one, you can use one of these today. If you haven't, a rolling pin is good too. This is called a pestle and mortar. And you put things in, can you look inside? And you can crush them up. This will be good for crushing your biscuits. If you don't have one, then you can just use a rolling pin, put your biscuits inside a bag and give them a bash. Okay, let's get started. First, put your biscuits in a bag or in the pestle and mortar and crush them up. Give them a really hard bash until they make breadcrumbs. Next, mix the biscuits, the chocolate powder and the coconut together. Mix, mix, mix. Then you have to melt the butter. You can do that in the microwave or over on the cooker with a pan. And put your butter into the bowl and mix it in. Then stir in the sticky, gooey condensed milk. After that, you're going to roll it into balls. So when it's all mixed together, you're going to roll little balls. I've got some Play-Doh here. Now, you need to take a little piece of your mixture, your chocolate mixture, like this big, and you need to put it in your hand and you have to squeeze it gently. If you do it too hard, it will all fall apart. So just squeeze it gently until it goes together, and then you can give it a little roll, nice and gently. Okay? And you can have a little ball like this. Don't worry If it's a bit of a funny shape, that's fine too. And last of all, you're going to roll your chocolate balls in some cocoa or the coconuts. That will make them look lovely. If you like, you can decorate them with icing. So, have a go at making your own chocolate treats. And maybe you can give them to someone special. You can even make a little box for them too and decorate it. Have fun, everybody, and don't forget to say Happy Mother's Day and thank you, Mummy, for all the wonderful things that you do.